what's your recommendation when it comes down to it? If you're starting off in a cleaning business, do you recommend hiring people out to do the job for you from the get-go, or do you recommend getting in there and getting your feet on the ground first before you start, having other people do it for you?
Well, all right, everybody. I'm here in Atlanta, Georgia, with the one and only Mr. Mark Quell Russell. He will be speaking at our event this February 28th, all the way to March 1st. What you gonna be speaking?
So the biggest thing, I know that a lot of businesses have a big challenge with like getting leads consistently and converting those leads into clients. So my whole goal when I come is to help you install a system into your business where you get as many leads as you can handle and convert those leads into as many clients as you can handle. And then how do you create an automated system to do that over and over and over and over again, so you can scale your business consistently and generate the revenue you want predictably and consistently as well.
I'm trying to tell y'all, I'm telling you, listen, this is going to be an event that you guys do not want to miss. This man right here, I've learned so much just in this classroom right here. I've learned so much, and he has helped my business as well. So, like, stay tuned in. Make sure I see y'all in Vegas, okay? Clean Biz Network Conference, baby. We'll be there.
We'll be there.
Let's get it.
Let's get it.
My question to that would be, I would say go in there and get your own experience, only because that's the way I did it, right? I do know cleaning business owners, however, that have never cleaned before, ever. They don't know anything about cleaning. And their job is solely to match the cleaner with the account. That's all they do all day. They're great at sales. Mm-hmm. So both ways work. They're good at sales. They're good at finding the expert to do the job. Just like me, if I wanted to find someone to do stripping and waxing, I've never done stripping and waxing before, and I don't want to do it. I don't care for doing it, right? But if I wanted to outsource it, I would find the expert and I would find the client, right?
Yeah.
That's kind of like what realtors do, right?
Mm-hmm.
So you can do it that way. However, my preference is going out there and getting the experience, because that's the world I came from, right? I don't recommend you stay there. Don't stay there long if you don't have to be there long, because sometimes we get content in those accounts, because you may win an account that's $5,000 a month. You're only making $3,000 on your job. You like, man, I'm just gonna clean my own account. Yeah. And then you end up stuck in that account. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about going to do the account, to learn the account, so that you can learn it enough to pass it on to someone else, right? That's what I'm talking about. Because there's so many. This game could be tricky. I've done accounts where I've outsourced it without doing the work before, and I came across people that were lying, about how long it took. And little things they will just be lying about. I'm like, hey, okay, let me go out here and get the experience myself. I had to do that with a couple of Airbnbs too. We actually got it on Surviving the Cleaning Industry, where my cleaners were complaining about the parking space, and they were complaining about the linen. They were just complaining about this one account. So me and Tamika said, you know what, we're just gonna go out there and clean it. We're going to clean it because we want to get the experience and see how long does this thing really take, man? Is it really a pain in the ass? Because I don't think it is, right? But one thing that I learned when I was a housekeeper, I couldn't stand the CEOs telling us what to do. I was like, how are they in control of what we do? They don't know this pain. It's impossible to turn all of these rooms in 30 minutes. They wanted us to turn like 15 rooms in 30 minutes a piece in each room, right? And I so wanted the CEO to come feel my pain because it was, and then we'll get written up if we weren't doing the job correctly, but it was impossible to do the job that some guy created from the tops, and he doesn't understand the cleaner world, how long it takes to carry those heavy carts, carry all that heavy linen. You know what I mean? Mm-hmm. So that's the world that I came from. So that's why I started to go out there myself to get the experience. And when I went out there to my Airbnb, me and Miss Tamika, we ended up going up on the price for the Airbnb because it was hard. It was ridiculous, the stuff they were asking us to do. you know, the flight of stairs that you had to take the linen up, and all the demands they had. It was ridiculous. And it was no parking space. It was just a lot of inconveniences. And my cleaners, it was to the point where they didn't want to clean it. Like, people were like, nah, I don't want that unit. Give me something else. Okay, so I had to go out there and figure it out on my own, you know, what it was. So I don't mind getting my hands dirty. I feel like it's either or with that.
Yeah. No, I agree with that. Thank you.
You understand where I'm coming from?
100%.
Good question. Hey, stop right there. If you're a cleaning business owner and you're looking for a community to join of like-minded entrepreneurs just like you, that think just like you, and everybody is on the same wave, make sure you tap into our new community. It's called the Cleaners Club. Tap into our community. I go live in the community every week, okay? Wednesday night at 8 o'clock. Wednesdays at 8 o'clock Eastern, I go live and you can ask me anything you want for a live Q&A, okay? Not only that, but I also implemented our courses inside of our community, okay? For $55 a month, you got our courses. I put our forms in there, and you get to talk to me, and you get to join our challenges, okay? So we do challenges every week. You can win prizes, you can win leads. You just have to do the challenge, all right? So make sure that you guys are tapping in. Click the link in bio, click the link in description, and I'll see you on the other side. Bye-bye.